Unless God be for us, we are nothing. Without him, we can do no good thing. Think about it. On this side, all things end. Think about it. You've had family, friends, or enemies die since you've been alive. Unless God be for us, there will be no good happenings. To die for Christ is to gain the good life eternally. When I remember that we and me are on this earth for a moment, again I rejoice, for this is the moment. I awake underground of the heavens, learning how to roll sevens on this physical planet. By his word he taught me how to receive his spirit in me and keep Christ in me, that our prayers can remove mountains and sycamore trees. There again, God is helping we and me to believe in what we can't see but know indeed. Personally, I want to win in America, or wherever I find myself Christian. Buying and selling from my friends, I thank Jesus I'm on again. But no one is more clever than the Lord. He weighs the hearts. He knows for sure that you even want to use kids as a shield for your unrighteousness. So for that I'm gangster, not sick. Neither me nor 50 a wankster or a trick. I'm getting mine and will so continue, while you sell eats from a no good menu. Unless God be for us, we would be you. But alas, I've tasted from the true vine, good and perfect fruit.